So if your antenna is starting to look like this on the Dodge Dart, it's time to change it. This thing's been beat up. I don't really understand how it gets like this. I'm gonna guess car washes and just being beat from the sun over time. That's the only explanation I got, but we're gonna go ahead and replace that real quick. Pieces, let's get it off. All right, so it just twists off. Obviously you saw it's pretty easy. And then this is what the new one looks like. It's the same exact thing. I bought it off of Amazon for, I think, 20 bucks. So we'll just twist this back on. It should be new. There you go, that is it. Old, worn, beaten, and broken, and then the new. All right, everyone, that's the end of the video. I know it wasn't anything crazy or difficult, but sometimes it helps just to have a visual aid. So that's what that is. If you like this type of content, please give me a subscribe, comment what you want me to do next, if there's anything you want to see me do on the Dart, which I don't know if many people do, but you never know. I also got the Tacoma, and then the 240 is in the garage. Those are usually the main cars of the channel. So if you want to see more of those, you know what to do. Thanks for watching.